Hi guys, my name is Ali and I am your stats tutor. Today I am clarifying the differences between the scale and the probability area. So I made a duplicate of this curve on the right hand side. The difference between these two pictures is on the left hand side there is no x scale, but on the right hand side there is an x scale. And let's suppose that the population mean is equal to 400, the value of x is equal to 415, and uh, the population standard deviation is equal to 9. Since sigma is known, then we are going to use the z-test. So the formula will be z equals x minus mu or sigma. You should plug in these values. For example, 415 in x, 400 in mu, and divide the difference by 9. You will get 1.67. So 1.67 is on the z scale. So same values here. Minus 3 and plus 3 are showing that the values given in the table of z, they are between minus 3 and plus 3. Now what we are left with is the probability area, which is the area under the curve. So with the help of 1.67 we can determine this area, whatever that is, and if we deduct this area from 1, then we will get this area. Now this area I have shown in orange lines. So these orange lines are extended here because they have to touch the z scale, just to show that the area on the left hand side, it seems smaller, but actually this area and that area, they are the same. I just introduced the x scale in between, so we can transpose the values of x and mu on the z scale, from which we can find the value of z if the sigma is known, and from z value we can determine the probability area, or the area under this curve. If we deduct this area from 1, we will get that area. If we deduct this area in percentage from 100%, we will get this area, which is equivalent to that area. So scale is on the horizontal line, so any value of z is on the horizontal line, but probabilities are the area under the curve, which can be the area the left hand side of this line or the area at the right hand side of this line, depending upon the problem itself. So if the problem is stating less than or decrease, this is the area that we are supposed to work on. If the problem is stating something like exceed by or increase, then we have to deduct this area from 1 and we will get that area. So never confuse between the z scale and the area under the curve. They are totally different things. So area under the curve, it's given in the z table. You have to look inside the table to get the area under the curve. They are starting from very small values such as 0.0003, and they go to 0.9998 or very close to 1. So the area under the curve is between 0 to 1, but the area on the scale, the values on the scale, on the z scale, are between minus 3 to plus 3. The central value is always transposed at 0. So this is the central value transposed at 0. X transposed as 1.67, and these values help us determine the area under the curve. Depending upon the problem, we can find the area under the curve at the left hand side or at the right hand side. So I hope you are clear now between the differences of scarce and probability areas. That's all for today. My name is Ali. You can call me at 0400443265. Thanks for watching.